In this video, we are sharing our ginger shot recipe. This recipe includes 3 ingredients, approximately 2 pounds of ginger, 1 pound of lemon, you can also add lime, half a pound of turmeric. We start peeling our lemons and leaving them whole since they are small enough to fit in our juicer. The more skin we take off the fruit and vegetables, the easier it is on our juicer. Sometimes we peel our ginger and turmeric with a spoon, but this time we are just cutting it into small pieces. Turmeric is very bright and stains the hands and juicer. Before we start juicing, we place a bag in our pulp container so that we can reuse the pulp for a second round of juicing. Then we begin juicing. We do have to stop a couple times throughout the juicing process to scrape away some of the pulp from the filter basket. If the pulp looks really dry, we don't reuse it. Once the juice jug gets full, we add it to a carafe and keep juicing. Once we are done juicing the fruit, we start juicing the pulp. These ginger shots will punch you in the throat, but in a good way. They have a sour and spicy taste, which we enjoy. We drink them in the morning and before bed. In the description box, I linked an article with more useful information on ginger shots. In the end, we give it a shake and we have delicious ginger shots for the rest of the week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.